Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Today we are going to show you a clock, Bluetooth speaker, a lamp and a LED light box. We're not talking about 4 different products here, but it's only one. It's the Devoom Aura box. So let's do the unboxing and find out more about it. The price of the Devoom Aura box is reduced recently from Rs 4000 to 1999, and if you want to buy one, I have provided a link in the description below. So here is the box. In the front we have the Devoom branding and the picture of the Aura box. On the side of the box we have some features like social media notification, creating your own design. You can also play music with light effects. It can also be used for clock, alarm and also thermometer to tell you the room temperature. And the app is available for both Android and iOS, and it will connect to your phone via a Bluetooth connection. On the side you can see the picture of the speaker. And at the back we have the introduction to the Devoom Aura box on the top, and you can see the MRP of the speaker is $43.99. Now let's open the box and see what we have inside. First we have a black box which looks nice and it has a Devoom branding on the top. And then we have two more boxes, one have the Aura box written on it. So let's open this first. It has a speaker inside which is nicely wrapped. And here is the speaker. It looks compact, and my initial impression about the build quality that it feels solid and durable. Let's keep it aside for some time and see what else we have here. And in the other black box we have the Aura box user guide, and inside this packet we have the aux cable and a micro USB charging cable. So that's all we have inside the box. Now let's look at the speaker closely. We have all glass front on the speaker, which makes sense as we have the LEDs on the front. The side of the speaker has a soft rubberized texture which looks really nice, but they are dust magnet, so you'll have to clean these speakers quite often. At the back we have a 5-watt speaker, and below it we have the aux port and the micro USB charging port. And on the top we have the mic, and next to it we have the buttons which are power, play, volume up and down and the mode button. And then we have the Devoom logo below it. Before we check anything else, let's remove the protective layer from the front of the speaker. It definitely looks good but feels delicate too. In my opinion, you'll have to take care of the speaker a lot, and you can't carry this in your bag without any cover, otherwise you'll end up having lots of scratches on the screen. So let's turn on the speaker for the first time. We get this hard booting logo, and then we have a Bluetooth sign telling us that it is ready to pair. So let's pair the speaker to my phone. So we have paired the speaker to the phone, and now we need to install the app Aura box. Once you open the app, the default screen is the time, and you can swipe right or left to see the other screens. Here we have the temperature screen where the text changes the color according to how hot it is. And next is what they call it soul relaxing hello light. Here you can change the color of the whole box. And then we have the music screen, which I will show you later in this video. And then we have few other default screens. There's also a shake button on the top which will increase or decrease the brightness, and you can also turn the screen off when you shake the phone. Now let's see some more features we have in this app. You can set a sleep timer and an alarm and select the scene accordingly. The next feature we have is the design. Here you can create your own design and play it on the Aura box. So now it all depends on your creativity what you can do with this box. There's also a gallery section, but at the time of testing it wasn't working on our Android phone. But we have tested this on the iPhone and it was working fine there. So in the gallery you can see your custom design art, and then next we have the flag where you can put a flag on the Aura box, and then next we have the numbers and symbols and the alphabets, which might be useful for some if you have multiple Aura boxes. And lastly we have the animation. Here you can find some cool animations, and let me show you few of them. Apart from these presets, you can also create your own animation using the animation feature. You can also get your social media and the call notification right on the box. And here is how it looks when you get a call. Now let's play some music. quality from the speakers are pretty decent, and as soon as you play the music, you have the LED effects on the speaker. And about the speaker, I would say that the speaker sounds good and performs better than other speakers in this price segment, especially when the price is dropped to Rs 2000. So overall, we think that the Aura box will definitely increase the beauty wherever you keep it, and if you're a YouTuber like us, then you can use it in your videos to give a nice touch. So overall, we really like the Aura box, but you need to keep this in mind that the USP of this product is what you can do with this Aura box. The Bluetooth speakers we have in the Aura box is of fairly decent quality, and the audio output is better than other speakers in this price range. So keeping in mind the price and what you get in it, making this Aura box value for money. So what do you think about this Aura box? Comment below what you like about it, and if you already have the Aura box, tell us the feature you like most in it. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.